Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BEEZY back with another video, and today is a good day because I'm really thinking about starting a new kind of like series on the channel where I want to try a new strategy every Monday. So I really want you guys to support by subscribing and also going in the comments and writing your strategy, how it works, and we're gonna test it out with real money on live accounts. I really think that this will give you more insights, and we're not just gonna test it with like a couple of trades. We're gonna go at least 10, maybe 11 trades and see how we can improve this, what things do we think that are going well, and what things do we think that we could absolutely make better. Also, I gotta plug myself before we get right into this video, because this video today we're gonna be testing three, you heard me, 3 moving average crossover strategy. It's a mouthful, I know, but this strategy is very popular among forex beginners, and you can see that there are multiple videos online about it, explaining it, but I really wanted to test it on a real account, and today that's exactly what we'll be doing. So don't forget to subscribe and like that video. Before we get into it, let's follow you more on Instagram, join the best Telegram channel in the world. Not only do you give free signals, you also create a community where you can feel safe. Join us with tutorials and all. Also, if you're looking for a place to trade and you want to get a pocket option account, links will also be in the description. Go hit that description and register and get your account, and also you can get a 50% bonus off your first deposit. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yo gang, let's get right into the chart. And the first thing and the most important thing that you're gonna do once you're looking to do one of this is add your indicator. So when you click on indicator, you're looking for moving average. That word kind of slipped my mind for a second. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and edit our first EMA, and the EMA will be 15 SMA. So make sure you're choosing the SMA. Everything we're going to do today is going to be in SMA. We'll change the styles a little bit, make it a little bit more thicker right here. 4. We'll change that color to red. If you watch my older videos back when we were still trading on Forex, you would know that I used a strategy similar to this. But we've got a 20 EMA, 25 EMA. Save. I'm gonna change that color to a sweat. Let's just change that purple, 4 pixels. And so this is what the strategy that I used to use on Forex back in the day, like when I was just getting in the game. And this is your easy moving average crossover. So when you're looking for when the 15 EMA crosses the 25 or 20 EMA, depends on which EMA you're doing, and you're looking for those entries in your entry trade. But as you can see, right here, it does work. If you had entered a trade for a minute, you would have won a trade. You can see it come all the way back down again. So why 3 EMAs? I mean, not EMAs. Why 3 SMAs? So let's add a third one, and I'm gonna explain why this could be a changer if I knew about it for myself. So right here we have a 50, right? Let's just make it white, a little thicker, and we just see. Why add a third SMA? Why this is important is this: it's allowing you to see entries, right? When you see that the price after the crossing, you see that the price stays below the white line, it means you're really looking to enter calls, right? When it crosses over that, as you see, every time it crosses over that white line, you could have entered anywhere right here, entered into a call, and you probably would have won those trades. You probably would have won those trades. So here, right here, we see that white line, it doesn't cross. So right here, what are we entering? Right? Looks like the market is bullish, as we can see the candles. But I'm not gonna try to focus on my own analysis. Pretty much what I'm going to try to focus on is just using this strategy and looking forward to enter. No strategy is perfect, so testing this and seeing what we can get out of it is definitely great. So see, we've explained all the different moving averages that we've added to the chart right now. So what we're going to do is start our trading. So first we're looking for a good entry point in the market. As we'll see, we can see that none of this is, everything right here is below of 50 EMA. You can see that the market crossed right here and it's been bullish since there. And so you're thinking to yourself, this really seems like a no-brainer for you to enter into a call. So we've entered into a call. Got about 54 seconds. So let's add other pairs so we can try this on multiple pairs and on OTC as well. So I'm going to add USD, Chinese yen. Let's do a bunch. Let's do some OTCs. Let's do some stocks. Stocks isn't looking great right now. Let's do. All right, looking like our trade is still in the money. What about where's the Euro AUD? Euro AUD. Where are you? Let's see what the trade is at. As you can see, 6 seconds left. 4, 3, 2. We're able to take profit on that. So, okay, just one test really doesn't mean it, right? So let's go to American Express. So first thing before you use the strategy, always look at what the market has been doing, right? So has it been staying below every line, below the moving average? Are you able to see that when the process happens, the market follows in the same direction? Possibility is here. So right here, we can see the same. Entry, a call seems like the right decision to make here as well. So we're gonna enter into a call as well here and move on to our next. So one of the trades have entered really well. And here it looks like a situation where we see the market cross the multiple, right? And we can see it right above them. And it looks like the market is about to cross, or it just crossed here. So we see the market is above here. The 50 EMA, which we believe it's put up right there. You see, if we had entered a little early, we'll try to see if we can top that. So we're 2 for 2 of this, and here we see the same. The chart is below the 50 EMA. You see a crossing right here that shows up the trend. So it just seems like a no-brainer to also call. So we won our second trade using this. And we're 2 for 1. We got 47 seconds left. I want to go back to the trade we were able to enter. These, yes. So here, I just want to see how this market. So we can see the crossing right here. I'm gonna enter into a down. See a crossing. You can see that it's below. We're able to enter that. So sniping an entry, making great entries, very, very, very important. So we can see the crossing of the 15 and the 25 SMA right there, and we can see the price is also in the 50 SMA, which means that we will go into a call. So this is our first loss, it would seem, 4 seconds. And our first loss with this strategy. It doesn't look that bad. So we had 2 wins. What seems like it's going to be 2 wins. So probably will be our second win. And 1 loss. It's not bad. I like to test this a lot more. So I guess we might push it on 1 more trade. And this is looking like a loss. It's 2 losses. Okay. So you can see what our trading looks like. Now I've tried this strategy before, Today you can see some of the results here. And these are the two we entered today, and this is the two that we lost. So we entered 2 on here, and we entered 2 on here. So what I'm gonna think is that this market is a little bit too volatile, so I'm just gonna remove that. And I'm gonna stick with Euro AUD, I think. So right here, we still see that the market is bullish. Candles are really strong. There's no reason for us not to go into a call right here, in my opinion. Even with 16 seconds left, I might even double up on that, but I'm gonna go one trade at a time to keep my risk very low. So let's go to another pair here. And what we're seeing is not a lot of consistency in this chart. We can see a lot of movements, which makes it really, really difficult to think about what you want to do. But in this case, it looks like the right thing to do is into a call. You can see the price right there is into the 50 EMA, and the candles are right above it, which means that put is the right option for us to go with. So right here, we can see the price just reversed completely. As I said, I'm following completely just the strategy, and you can see that's our third loss. So we're two trades in the plus and 3 trades out of the plus. So despite the fact that this trade looks very simple, I mean, this strategy looks simple, and it's usually trained towards beginners. Here also, the right choice to make is a call, in my opinion. You can see how bullish the candle is. But when you look at the 15 and 20 EMA, here should be what? What should be here? Exactly. Here should be a put, according to me. But let's try to put a put. Put a $100 put and see if the strategy is working. Because right now we are $300 in the hole after making, $400. So that's 2 trades we won. But calculating all the trades I made today using it before, so I got a little bit of profit. But as you can see, it's easy strategy for a reason, because you might get some wins. And as you can see here, we were able to get a couple of wins out of this strategy. But in the long run, if you're not, using everything that the market has to offer and just basing it on SMAs and indicators only, the result, you might go on a streak. Because I went on a streak earlier today when I was trying this. I didn't miss a single trade. And then when the losses start, you're like, I'm doing exactly the same thing as I was doing before. What changed? Nothing changed. It's because you were able to make no predictions on the market. You're not reading the charts. You're not looking for your highs and lows. You're not looking for anything. You're just following an easy indicator strategy, which is what really, really creates a problem when you're using indicator-only strategy, because you might get into a little bit of some wins, but then later you might just start losing. You might just start losing. So as you can see here, we've got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $500 loss. We've also won what seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades altogether. So we're 6 trades in the money, but also we lost about $500. So I wouldn't be trying this strategy again, but I think that this strategy can be part of your overall strategy. I had a couple of highs and lows, follow your guts, read the candles, look at the strengths of the candles, look where the market is, use multiple time frames. As I always say, there's a lot of things that you could add to really, really improve this strategy. And I think that next video, I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you how I can, supercharge this strategy and make it a little bit more profitable than it is. Because right here, based on all of the trades, we're only like a tiny bit profitable, not even close. Maybe we even just broke even, honestly. But that's it. We tried the 3 moving average crossover strategy, and this is the results that we get. I hope you guys followed along, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And also, I want you guys to talk about what strategies you guys are using right now. And maybe I'll try one out and see if there's any way I can help you improve that strategy. Or maybe you can even, put me on game and I can learn also a strategy. So thank you. It's been your boy BEEZY, and I'm out.